Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to start with the topic IELTS tips for writing task 2 academic. I am recording part 1 of this video and part 2 will be out very soon. Trust me guys, if you follow all of these tips, nobody can stop you from scoring a band 7 in IELTS writing task 2. The first and the most important tip is to understand the question thoroughly. Many candidates lose marks in IELTS because they misinterpret the question or respond to only one part of it. So just make sure you are answering all the parts of the prompt, whether it's discussing both sides of the argument or covering all parts of the problem. Let's look at this example. Some people believe that children should be taught how to manage money in school. Do you agree or disagree? If your essay only focuses on the importance of financial education without discussing whether it should be taught in schools or not, it misses the point. Now, just start by acknowledging the importance of financial literacy. Evaluate if schools are the right place for it. Discuss both aspects before including your stance. Tip number 2 is also very important, that is to plan your essay before writing. Now, here's a step by step guide for you guys. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the idea that public transport should be free? Introduction, you have to paraphrase the question and state your position whether you agree or disagree. In the body paragraph 1, you have to discuss the benefits of free public transport. Example, reducing pollution, easing traffic. In the body paragraph 2, you have to address the potential drawbacks. And in the conclusion, you have to restate your stance and summarize the key points. Now, here's a balanced argument for you guys. I partially agree that public transport should be free. It offers considerable environmental and social benefits, but also poses financial challenges for governments, potentially leading to higher taxes or decreased service quality. A solid plan ensures that the essay has logical structure and that you cover all the necessary points. Without a plan, you might stay off topic or run out of ideas. I also want to share my own personal tip on this thing. I feel that when tackling with agree disagree questions, it's often beneficial to adopt a partially agree stance. This approach allows you to promote a balanced view, acknowledging both sides of the argument and a better understanding of the topic. Now, the tip is to develop your ideas fully. Developing and expanding your ideas with relevant examples is very important. You have to ensure that each idea is supported by reasons or specific details. I'll show you guys with the help of an example. For the question, we have some people believe that zoos should be banned because they are cruel to animals. To what extent do you agree? Now, let's suppose two cases are there: underdeveloped argument and a fully developed argument. Zoos are cruel, so they should be banned. This is an underdeveloped argument. And for the fully developed, we can say that zoos can be detrimental to animals by restricting their natural behaviors. For instance, large animals such as lions and elephants are often confined to enclosures that do not meet their spatial needs, leading to psychological distress. Research shows that such confinement can cause abnormal behaviors like pacing or self harm. This was a fully developed argument. Now, here's a sample sentence for you guys. Confining animals in enclosures much smaller than their natural habitats compromises their well being, often resulting in physical and psychological issues. For example, elephants need expansive areas to roam, and their confinement in zoos can lead to stress included behaviors like repetitive pacing. I really hope that with these examples, you guys would have a clear understanding of the topic. Now comes the most important tip: coherence and cohesion. Remember, a strong introduction and a strong conclusion is very important for a perfect essay, as it provides clear structure to your essay. So, the introduction should paraphrase the question and present your thesis, which is the main argument. The conclusion should summarize your main points, and restate your opinion clearly. You guys will better understand with this example. For the question, we have some people say that advertising encourages us to buy things we don't need. To what extent do you agree or disagree? For the introduction, firstly, we have to paraphrase the question. Many argue that advertising significantly influences the consumer behavior, often leading individuals to purchase items that are unnecessary. I believe that while advertising plays a crucial role in product promotion, it frequently manipulates desires, resulting in impulsive buying. Now, for the thesis statement we have, I largely agree that advertising promotes excessive consumption. Now is the time for conclusion. Remember, conclusion has to be cohesive. In conclusion, while advertisements are important for informing consumers about new products, they often encourage purchases of unnecessary items. Hence, it is vital for the consumers to critically assess advertisements and make informed decisions. Just look for this line. Advertising plays a crucial role in promoting products. Now, by mentioning this point, you actually acknowledge the positive aspect of advertising. Knowing that you understand its importance. The second line we have, it also has the tendency to manipulate the consumer desires. Now, by this sentence, you introduced your critique, indicating that advertising can lead to impulsive buying. Now, you guys would understand it has so many benefits. Shows understanding and insight, set up a balanced argument, most important, creates a cohesive essay structure. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from the video. If you guys have any kind of doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Bye, see you in the next one.